like a fruit burst in your mouth. Okay, guys, go eat. Roger, waiting for you. She's getting high. Have you heard it? With ice cream. So guys, अभी अपना
Sorry.
किसी को नहीं दूँगा.
I'll check. Yeah.
Hi friends, trust you all are doing good and keeping safe. I'm your host Kankan and you're watching my channel I Can Solve, where we basically drink change one day at a time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the like button, hit the bell icon to be a member of my family. हम लोग थोड़ा ट्राई किए सिंगापुर में कहाँ पे सबसे बढ़िया सा आइसक्रीम मिलता है वो ढूंढने के लिए एंड फाइनली आफ्टर गेटिंग ऑल दोस रिकमेंडेशन वी फाउंड द बेस्ट आइसक्रीम प्लेस इन सिंगापुर. इट्स कॉल्ड मोनार्क्स एंड मिल्कवीड. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वेराइटीज के आइसक्रीम मिलते हैं एंड द आइसक्रीम टेस्ट ऑसम. तो इसमें मुझे हेल्प करने वाले टू ऑफ माई क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड. So in my right side, I am having a full-time foodie, a part-time consultant, Aruna. In my left side, I am having a full-time data scientist and part-time foodie, Roger. And together we are going to explore all the delicious flavors in this ice cream place. Are you guys excited?
Yep.
Yes, let's try it out.
Woo!
This a ticket talking Mazda for the beggars. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Okay guys, we got some time from the owners of this shop. So currently we are having Eric and Mandeep with us. So I'd love to know, like, Eric, Mandeep, what's special about this place? Why like so many people are recommending these places and they are saying this is the best ice cream place in Singapore?
Well, we just make what we like here. We try to do a spin on some classic flavors and we also make many classic flavors. A lot of our flavors are not very complicated, just things that sound nice to us.
What's the history about this place? Like, what motivated you guys to open this place and bring up with so many delicious flavors?
Actually, we are from F&B background. Then after a few years of working at F&B, so we decided to do something of our own. And with a low budget, we can afford to do. And then we thought of opening a gelato should be a good idea of it because the budget compared to a restaurant is not that high. We both also work in F&B, so the reason we start this ice cream shop is because I used to work in Paris. So if there's off day, right, I definitely will grab gelato from one of the famous shops, Gelatissimo, to enjoy a scoop of gelato once a week. That's how I spend my time in Paris, and then this is the main thing that I will try.
Wow, that's an interesting story.
This is the raw pistachio. This is burnt white chocolate, hazelnut, sour salt bean, and brown butter sage. Okay.
Nice. You guys got it right.
Yeah.
I remember too.
Okay.
So now we are going to try the first flavor called raw pistachio, and we are going to try and आप लोगों को बताने वाले कि टेस्ट कैसा लगा हम लोगों को. Roger, starting with you. Okay. You are a lefty?
Yeah. Oh, it's naturally. Oh, it's naturally right here. It has a very coconut sort of a taste. It's so good. Okay. I'm out of words.
I'll ask Aruna to go for it first.
Yeah.
I want to see her expression. लड़कियों का expression देखने का मजा ही अलग है.
समझ रहे हो आप?
And then take a big scoop.
Okay.
It's really pistachio. It's so good.
Wow.
It's actually,
That's
yeah, just like the name suggests, it's really raw pistachio.
Wow. So that's
very
pistachio.
creamy.
It's too good, out of the world, guys. It's too good. I love it. Now we are going to try.
Sour salt mint. It's very fruity. Fruity?
It's like a fruit burst in your mouth.
Correct.
Love it, guys. Love it.
It's actually, it's not just sour, but it has a very intense, very tangy and this very strong flavor.
अरुणा की हेड तो थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे हो गई. Try करने के बाद.
Yeah, getting
Roger waiting for you. She's getting high. Have you heard it? With ice.
It's very fruity, actually. Yeah.
And good part is that every ice cream is different from each other. Roger describe भी नहीं कर पा रहा है कि इसका टेस्ट कैसा है. Third one call.
brown butter sage. Yeah, brown butter sage.
मैं भूल गया था, but Aruna, she is the most intelligent person among us.
Yeah,
She's remembering all the names. So what's the name? Aruna?
Brown butter sage.
Let's try it.
I'm going to expect butter, but I'm a bit curious on what they mean by brown butter. It has a very strong buttery taste, and it just goes very well, very smoothly down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Roger. I'm more curious about the texture. Like, look at some sort of. It tastes so good. It tastes more buttery and also more sweet. I like this more. Yeah.
So this is the top pick for you till now.
Top pick for me till now.
I really love the color. See guys, I love the color. You like it?
Oh, but
Yeah, it's
like cold butter.
I'm a bit confused with the taste. It's some kind of unique taste. Huh? Though I love the flavor, everything, the sweetness and everything is balanced. But the taste is so confusing for me. अभी हम लोग try करने वाले हैं. The fourth flavor looks like this. I'll try with Roger. Roger, what's the name of this ice cream?
You want a clue?
Yeah.
That's with P.
Tea? Peanut butter.
No.
Okay.
No.
Pistachio.
Okay,
Pistachio.
got it, yeah.
The taste is more vivid. Like it's like pistachio on steroids or something like that. Yeah. But it's like it has a very strong taste of pistachio.
Camera के पीछे जो है, she is also trying one by one. So maybe I'll ask. Till now, Priya, which one is your best? Okay, yeah.
I'm expecting a little more burnt flavor compared to the raw pistachio. I'm actually getting a very roasted flavor of the nut.
You are nice little. Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for more.
Nice, right?
They're really going for it, huh? अभी तो मुझे chance नहीं मिला है. See? Now I'll also give it a try. किसी को नहीं देने वाला. Guys, loved it. And then, so true, huh? It's having more roasted, that fragrance and flavor is coming in straight to mouth. Yeah. So guys, अभी अपना
Sorry.
go. Burnt white chocolate. पता नहीं था. अभी इससे सुना मैंने.
Yeah.
I don't know why it tastes like coffee. I mean,
Perhaps it is coffee. It is?
I really feel the burnt taste of tea,
Okay.
and it tastes very much like coffee.
Actually, yeah.
Okay,
It tastes like a
very interesting.
standard coffee. It's like somewhere in between coffee and what is it? You know, back in those days, they have this coffee flavored chocolate. What was it?
Mocha.
Mocha.
Yeah.
Mocha.
Right.
Yeah, it tastes
Right.
more like mocha. Nostalgic. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my favorite keeps changing. Now I can't decide.
I would say like this one I like the most.
Okay, like almost ready.
Yeah. This is our last one.
Final one.
Maybe we three can try together and we'll only express it with our expression. Okay? Then we'll
no
disclose
words.
like
No words. Okay.
no words. Okay?
This is hazelnut.
3, 2, 1, go! now you can.
This is really good.
उससे पहले आप लोग बताना हाँ अभी जो बोलने वाली है इसके एक्सप्रेशन देख के वो ही पता चला है कि नहीं. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Now explain.
it's really good. I mean, it's very true to the word hazelnut, very hazelnutty, and then it really tastes like the kind of feeling that you get in chocolates like Kinder Bueno and stuff like that. And it's very creamy. It's like so smooth and very creamy.
So guys, with that, we tried all the 6 base flavor and we love the ice cream of this place. बहुत बढ़िया है. It will be like 10 out of 10
10 out of
for
10,
us.
for sure.
Yeah.
Come to Monarchs and Milkweed and subscribe to I Can Serve.